Action! We're gonna do our best. Are you ready?
No, we're gonna cough.
Oh, cough.
We just did the best. Hi, Nathan. This is what we do every night. We filmed you doing your slings last night. And then after your slings, what do? We do the vest and we cough. Yeah.
What are you looking at?
What do you think? Yeah? You trying to say something, aren't you? Yeah? Uh-huh. You look at Daddy? Turn your head and look at Daddy.
Let's go. Yeah. Are you ready?
You got some gunk in there? We're going to cough it all out. Show everybody how we can cough real good. Okay? There's your cough machine. Good, Nathan. Get it out. There.
Okay, good job.
Boy.
Here we go again, number 2.
Yay! Does that feel better?
Okay, one more set, man. You're doing great.
You're doing so good.
Big breath, 1. Big breath, couple times. Last one. Couple times. You're done.
Yay! Say yay! You done?
Say I'm done, Mommy. Say ready. Cut.
Yay! We'll get your pappy back on. You get to watch your Veggie Tales now. Okay?
Okay, say bye-bye. Okay.
Bye.